Hey guys, welcome to Forex Family Empire. We're back again with another video. It's your boy K Smalls. Yeah guys, as you can see the chart, yesterday we analyzed this chart and say we're gonna see a reversal somewhere here, and this is exactly what we saw, guys. Let me see this thing. I want to play you the video that I recorded yesterday telling you the market will reverse from here and then the TP will be somewhere around here. It looks like they smashed the TP, try to reverse on top of the TP, and then they broke through and smashed that TP. Listen to the recording without wasting any more time, guys. Listen to this. Like this, I think they're just going to go and play around this zone and then hit this level here. Once they hit this level, they are going to come back and then go to the downside here, because I think they're trying to manipulate a lot of traders there. So I think that's when they will start going to that bullish momentum. So we might be having we're having this rising wedge here on a 15 minutes time frame. So, and a rising wedge has a bias of breaking to the downside, guys. So let's be careful here. Alright guys, as I told you that the rising wedge has a bias of breaking to the downside. Once they broke to the downside, they came back and retested this zone, and then they shoot down to the bottom side, guys. That's basically the analysis that I recorded. What I'm going to do right now is going to take out everything here and reanalyze everything from scratch, because the pattern that we had was invalidated. All right, again, before I continue with analyzing another chart, let me go to USDJPY as well. This is exactly what I recorded on the other stream. If you want to check this video when I was analyzing this chart, you can check it. I said they're going to turn from here as well. This is on USDJPY. They were turning from here. I was able to catch some of the entries here. Right now, the USD JPY is going to be coming to this TP, guys. So we're waiting for them to come to this TP, and right now you can see they are even halfway through there to the TP. So right now, without wasting any more time, let's jump right into it to the other charts. I'm going to close this USD JPY, leave, and then what I'm going to do right now, because the chart for Nas100 has been invalidated when it comes to the higher time frame, because right now we were expecting it to come and test this level and then continue to go to the upside. We can see they're back inside the bigger wedge here, so we need to reanalyze this thing from scratch, guys. So let me know what you think on my analysis, what you think of my analysis, and then yeah guys, if you have anything that I'm missing, let me know in the comment section as well. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button and like this video, so that we can help us with the algorithm, so that YouTube can push this video to other uh, YouTubers who would like to see this content, guys. So yeah guys, without wasting any more time, I'm going to go to the highest time frame for Nas100 and then analyze it from scratch. So as you can see, this thing, I went to D1. So every time when I analyze, guys, you know that I always go and specify my higher zones and then my lowest zone. So these zones that I'm analyzing here is basically where the market has gave us the big movement. Is when the market touch that level, it always reverses or give us a big movement. So here's another zone. You can see they touch here and then they go to big movement. So every time when I analyze my chart, I always do this thing without any favor, without any bias, guys. So I always do this. This is the levels that helps us get all those entries that we are catching, guys. So we need to be patient with it, with me, while I specify all these zones, guys. So I just want to send a shout out to Nasdaq Ninja and the King Blue Pips. They're using the same strategy. This is the strategy that I got from them as well. So I can see that it's working as well from my side. So shout out to you guys. Yeah guys, so without wasting any more time, guys, this is basically what's happening here. I'm basically putting all the levels that gave us a big movement. I think so far this is everything. So what I'm going to do right now, I'm going to go to the lower time frame, which is D1. So remember, I started from the daily time frame. So from the daily time frame, we always specify the level, guys. We always specify our trend. So here's our trend. So the trend is basically an upward trend, as we specified on the previous videos, guys. So our trend is upward trend. We can see we had a breakout from this level, they came back and retested on the line that we just drew there. Then right now they are busy ranging about that. So let's see exactly what's happening on the lower time frame, guys. So do you see exactly what's happening, guys? I'm seeing this thing here. I specified this thing as a zone, but right now is a small zone because it's on a day one. The zones that I always trust is the ones that I put on D1 and the ones that I put on weekly. So right now we saw the market, they have been consolidating, breaking out, consolidating, breaking out. We saw they created a channel here. So here it was they broke out, they started consolidating to the downside. Right now they broke out, right now they're consolidating. So what I saw on the previous video is that they were creating another consolidation phase. But remember, on the consolidation phase, where are they going to stop consolidating, guys? So that's basically the question you need to ask yourself. Where will these guys stop consolidating? So this is basically what happened there. We can see they broke out, started consolidating. Right now they broke out, and right now they are consolidating here. Right now they are busy consolidating. I think they broke out to this level, and then they came back and started retesting this zone. So right now I can expect them to go to the upside, guys. So our main TP is somewhere here, so that you can't just enter your buys right here because you are seeing a bullish candle. All you need to do right now is just to relax, go to the lower time frame. Already you specified the bigger level that is basically going to the top side. So you can see here's a consolidation phase. They came back, click that, and right now what I'm seeing on the lower time frame, guys, what I'm seeing on the lower time frame is that where there's a massive channel here that was breaking to the downside, but the market decided to come back so quick on that channel, guys. So right now, if I want to enter some buying position, I was gonna enter them from here, guys. So this is where I was gonna enter the buying position exactly on the previous video that I recorded is saying we need to enter our buying position somewhere here. You can see they came back with a spike. They were gonna blow your account if you put your orders here. You see, that's why I don't like putting orders. I like to enter the market once I see how it react. So this is basically what's happening at the moment. We are seeing this channel. They've broken down. They've broken it, but they came back inside it. Right now, we are seeing them moving to the upside with the full momentum. But you can't just jump into a buying position right here because you are seeing this. All you need to do right now, guys, is that you need to relax and reanalyze this thing from scratch, guys. So you see, I came with it from D1. I came with it from weekly time frame. I went to D1. Right now I'm on H4. So I can see on H4, this is the level that we are in. And then let me see if I put these lines here. What am I gonna see? Do you see, guys? The analysis become even easier once you put the lines after each and every time frame. So I can see that these lines are not going well right now because there's no specific structure that are going on H4. So I'm going to move over to H1, which is 1 hour time frame. We can see that, okay, guys, we said we are waiting for it to go to the top side, guys. So our main point is it to go to the top side, but is it really happening on D1 or we're just seeing manipulation going to the downside? So no. Okay, I'm seeing a specific this looks like a continuation or whatever you can call it. It looks like a consolidation to continue to the downside when I'm looking at this pattern here, guys. So look at this. So it looks like they gave us a head and shoulder basically. So if I can call this pattern a head and shoulder, because right now if I put something like this, you saw on our bigger time frame what happened is that we saw a buying opportunities to go to the upside, but here the analysis just change and say, okay, guys, we're going to the downside because we're looking at this head and shoulder pattern. You see, we can call this our left shoulder and then the head, and then now right there creating a right shoulder. And if this is a pattern of a head and shoulder, the TP of that basically is going to be somewhere here, guys. So let's see where the TP is gonna be, because already they broken out from there. So we can see that once they broke out from here, they came back and retested. We can see that they need to come and test this level, but right now we need to see exactly what's happening with this head and shoulder, guys. Let me see something again on the lower time frame. I can see that if this is a consolidation for the continuation of the pattern here, we need to wait for it to break. They can always change, guys. They can always break to the upside. So we can see this pattern here within these lines. They are breaking. If they break to the upside, then we know that we are continuing to go to the upside. If they break to the lower side, we are going to the lower side. And exactly these lines here, they are also this shade, the gray shade here. It's also helping us to know that once the market start playing below this, then we are continuing to go to the downside. And when they continue to go to the downside, it's either their TP is going to be here or they're going to come and touch the line here. So I hope I'm not confusing you guys. You understand the analysis. So it's a matter of probability and a matter of how the market behaves after an analysis, guys. So we're analyzing it. I'm not saying this is how the market should play out. I'm saying if they do this, this is what they're gonna do. If they do this, this is what they're gonna do. That's basically how you need to trade, guys. You wait for them to act and then you follow what they are doing. So that's basically it. I'm going to the lower time frame, which is the H3. We can see, guys, they are busy consolidating within this, consolidating. If they break to the upside, then our TP is here. If they break to the downside, then we know we're going here. So just wait for this consolidation to get broken out before you execute your trade. That's basically the trading plan. My plan will be here. I'm going to go to the 15 minutes chart and see as well what's happening. I'm still seeing the same thing, consolidation from the bigger movement, consolidation. This pattern has a 50-50 chance of breaking to the top or downside, guys. So that's why I'm not even confident to say buy or sell right now. So right now I say wait for a breakout. If they break to the downside, they're coming to retest and then continue. If they break to the upside, they'll come back and then continue to the top side. But right now, because our overall trend told us that it's a buy. So once they break to the upside, guys, we know that our full confidence is back to go and start buying those positions once they retest this line. But once they broke to the lower side, we know that the pattern was invalidated, and then they're gonna be coming to here. Don't forget, today we are going to be trading FOMC again, guys. So I will be analyzing one more time again, maybe around 4-5 o'clock, just to see where the market is, or around 7 o'clock. So if you want to see that video, make sure you hit that bell notification so that when I post, you get notified, guys. This is the end of the video. Thank you for watching. I'll be analyzing other trades, other pairs on another video. Thank you for watching this one. That's it from me. Bye bye.